Hello. Today we're going to talk about how to actually finish things. And this should only take us a maximum of about 10 minutes. So I'm going to talk about the last 10% of any project, any endeavor. Not starting. Starting is easy sometimes, but that's maybe a topic for another day. I mean the projects that get to 90% done and then they just sit there. You know the kind of thing I'm talking about. Now, everyone has this like folder, not failed projects, not empty ones, the almost finished ones. Mine right now, I recorded a full video course back in February. It's been professionally edited. Every video is uploaded to a platform. All that's left is a simple worksheet for each lesson. It's maybe 3 hours of work. It's been sitting there for months. So just be aware, you're not the only one that feels like this. So, but why does the smallest part take the longest? There's an old idea that explains it, maybe. It's called Zeno's paradox. It's from a few thousand years ago. The idea is that to cross a room, first you cross half the distance, then half of what's left, then half of that. So mathematically, you never actually arrive. And that's kind of like the last 10% in miniature. Every pass at the finish line reveals another gap to close. It's not laziness exactly, it's structural. The closer you get, the more halves seem to appear, the more fiddly bits, the more I'll just add this. So here are 3 reasons why this happens. Quick fire. Number 1, the fear of judgment. Unfinished work can still be, well, anything. The moment you ship it, it can only be what it actually is. So staying at 90% protects the fantasy version. Number 2, the ambiguity of done. Most projects have no external scorer. No one tells you it's finished, which means you own the goalposts, and goalposts that you own can always move another meter. Number 3, the pleasure of options staying open. Every unshipped version is still alive. The better title, the cleaner edit, the version with more time behind it. Ship it and all the other versions die. It's like a small grief. So it gets postponed. Right. Now here's 3 ways you can actually close out those projects. Number 1, define done in advance, not a feeling, a sentence. This will be finished when ... Write it down before you start. But if you're already mid-project, write it now, from here to the end. Number 2, ship ugly. The bar for a first version is exists, not good. Exists. Almost everything you admire went through an ugly draft. You just never saw it. Perfecting something before it exists is just a sophisticated way of, well, not finishing it. Number 3, remember the 2-week rule. The moment something crosses 90%, it gets 2 weeks. Finished or killed. No third option. Open endings are where projects go to live forever without ever being alive. So, Zeno's paradox. The closer you get, the more halves appear. But we refuse to play by these rules. Fear, ambiguity, and the pleasure of open options, why the end gets postponed. Define done, ship ugly, 2 weeks. That's how you close it out. Here's your challenge then. Go into your folder right now, find the thing sitting at 90%, give it a date, 14 days from today. It's finished or it's killed once and for all. Personally, in preparing this, I made the choice. The example that I gave you, I wrote in my diary, 14 days from Friday, as it happens, it's going to ship. So I practice what I preach. So if this is useful, this is exactly the kind of thing I work through with clients, one-to-one, through my Hero program, which is for personal development, but also with teams and executives all over the world, helping people build a working life that's actually designed, not just survived. If that sounds like you, come and have a conversation. There's links below, or head to stephenlockcoaching.com. Have a brilliant day.